I think if you really want to look at what makes a good design, it's what makes it interesting. You know, I like to design around conversation pieces so that, you know, somebody sees something and they're like, that's amazing, what is that? And maybe there's a story from your travels, or it's where you got married, or whatever it is. I just love designing around conversation pieces. I love the inspiration, whether it's coming from materials or whether it's something different, something I've never seen before. I am never one to shut down an idea if I've never seen it before, but sometimes it takes me a little bit of time to get used to something. I love what I do. I love helping people. I love the creativity behind real estate and design. I love business. And so when I wake up in the morning, I love waking up because I love going to work and I love working with people who are just as inspiring. One of the things that really astonishes me is the fact that we've done almost 400 episodes of our shows. That's 400 renovations, 400 happy homeowners, and that's astounding if you think that you've touched that many people and you've changed their lives. And we really do. I mean, we listen to these people and we want to make sure that our clients are beyond happy and that the house makes their life easier. So I think that knowing that I've helped that many people really, really means something.